Maintaining a spotless, hotel-standard room requires absolute consistency. You achieve that consistency by eliminating guesswork and standardizing your process with Diversey Holdings' TASKI chemical line. The system is highly organized. The letter R stands for room care, and the numbers 1 through 9 correspond to specific formulas designed for exact surface types. Before you open a single bottle, prepare your physical workspace. Equip yourself with standard protective gloves, empty spray bottles, a 1-liter water pitcher, and a precise milliliter measuring cup. Applying the exact chemical to its intended surface prevents property damage while ensuring elite hygiene standards across the entire property. This diagram outlines the first critical step. We split the entire chemical lineup into 2 strict operational categories: direct use and dilution required. There are strict exceptions. R4, R5, and R6 are pulled aside. Adding water to these formulas neutralizes them entirely. For the remaining chemicals, the daily cleaning baseline is exact. Measure 20 milliliters of chemical into 1 liter of water. For deep cleaning or tuffled stains, increase the concentration to 50 milliliters per liter. Following this specific dilution matrix ensures that your solutions are strong enough to sanitize, but balanced enough to avoid leaving heavy chemical residue. Step 1 in the room cycle begins in the bathroom. Apply undiluted R6 directly into the toilet and urinal. This gives its strong formulation time to lift heavy stains while you work elsewhere. Next, take your diluted R1, a dual-action bathroom cleaner and sanitizer, and apply it across the sink, bathtub, tiles, and metal fittings. Depending on your location, you might encounter hard water, which leaves behind chalky white spots, and a standard R1 treatment will fail to clear them. This split screen shows the difference. On the left, lingering hard water spots. On the right, a clear surface achieved by using R9. R9 is an escalated, stronger substitute engineered specifically to cut through heavy grease and hard water scaling that R1 cannot touch. Diagnosing your local water hardness dictates whether you stock your housekeeping cart with R1 or R9. Now that the bathroom is sanitized, we transition into the main bedroom area. Here, the focus shifts from heavy sanitation to delicate dusting and polishing. Take your diluted R2 general-purpose cleaner and apply it to a microfiber cloth. Use this for damp dusting cupboards, televisions, and telephones and picture frames. For transparent surfaces, switch to R3. This ensures a streak-free finish on windows, bathroom mirrors, and glass display cases. When you reach wooden floors, tables, or cabinets, use R4. Remember, this is applied directly and undiluted as a dedicated polish to restore a rich shine to the wood. Systematically layering these 3 specialized formulas prevents cross-contamination and preserves the finish of luxury room materials. We turn now to the hard floor surfaces. To maintain a professional finish, you must move away from the multi-surface sprays used for dusting. While it might be tempting to use R2 for floors, R7 is the only correctly formulated solution for daily machine scrubbing and heavy mopping. Your daily tasks are now complete, but periodic maintenance requires inspecting hot water kettles, coffee machines, and shower heads for chalky white deposits. These deposits are limescale, a hardened calcium buildup caused by the constant heating of hard water. To remove it, apply the specialized R8 descaler. Watch how it actively targets and melts away those hardened calcium deposits from the metallic surfaces. To finalize the room setup, spray R5 directly into the room's air and corridors to leave a pleasant floral deodorizing effect. Distinguishing between a daily maintenance chemical like R7 and a periodic restorative treatment like R8 ensures your cleaning routine also protects the long-term condition of hotel fixtures. Look at the results in this room. Every distinct surface reflects the precision and care of a standardized chemical management system. You now possess the knowledge to decode the room care system from 1 through 9 and to apply the exact right tool for each task. To maintain this standard, print a physical cheat sheet of the 20 milliliter and 50 milliliter dilution rules and attach it to every housekeeping trolley as a permanent failsafe. By following the TASKI R series system, you ensure every room meets the same hygiene standard, guaranteeing a high-quality experience for every guest.